Do you know what 5 times 3 is? 15. Today we are going to look at patterns and tricks. In the last video we learned the 3 times table. But first let's start with the most important trick. The answers are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. That means we always add 3 more. Counting up can help you when you're not sure about an answer. For example, if you want to solve 3 times 3, you can count up 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. But there is another cool way to solve it. Let's say we want to work out 2 times 3, but we do not know the answer yet. One day we will know it by heart, but for now we can use a drawing. We draw 1, 2 lines in this direction. Then we draw 1, 2, 3 lines in the other direction. Now we count the crossing points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 crossing points, and that is the answer. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now I want to show you a little trick, or actually a pattern, in the 3 times table. Let's look at the answers again. We have already written them down. Look carefully. We have 3, then 12, then 21, then 30. We can do the same with 6. 6, 15, and 24. And of course, it also works with 9. 9, 18, and 27. That is a funny pattern. Look at the ones. 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. They go down by 1 each time. At the same time, the tens go up by 1. This is a fun math trick. Math really can be fun. Now you have seen patterns and learned some tricks. And if you want to practice the 3 times table again, you can watch part 1 one more time. Or are you ready for the 4 times table? Join us in the next videos.